And now, your ABC6 Storm Tracker weather with Chief Meteorologist Jeff Denoyer.
A great day. Took this picture moments ago from the RIDOT page. This is Jamestown Bridge, NK side, and not a lot of traffic, but boy, what a great day to be down by the coast or whether you were inland. It didn't really matter. The temperatures were warm for everybody, and it was a wonderful February day. Temperatures still aren't that bad right now. You still got a little bit of time before the colder air arrives. Still holding 50s and 60s, but off to the north and west, the leading edge of some colder air, straight down to 39 in Springfield. And we knew that once we got this really warm day for today, that the colder air was going to return tonight. But it was nice while it lasted. It was a record day today. Almost hit 70 at TF Green. So much of the U.S. now is cold. You got this little sliver of warmth hugging the East Coast. Some areas in the deep south today, like in the Carolinas, hit the 80s today. But it's a colder air that's going to win out, not just for our area as we go into the rest of the week, weekend, and early next week, but much of the U.S. is going to be quite cold as well. So this little warm day was like an oasis in the desert. So right now, East Coast is pretty quiet. A few snow showers upstate New York. Turn your attention to this area of precipitation here from about St. Louis south to Memphis, a combination of snow, freezing rain, sleet, and then plain rain. And that's pretty much a pretty good example of what's headed our way. Some snow at first, it changes over to some sleet, freezing rain, and then eventually some rain. With the combination of 4 different precipitation types for the area, starting Thursday night into Friday, you know there's going to be some slippery conditions. Not so much for tonight or tomorrow, but for Thursday night into Friday. Winter storm watch issued for the area. What does a watch mean? It means that the conditions are favorable for some kind of weather that could cause adverse driving conditions. And at this point, we're just kind of waiting to see if this will be an advisory or a winter storm warning. That will be the next call by the National Weather Service. So Futurecast, we cleared out. Clouds return tonight. And as they do, overcast skies in the morning tomorrow. Any sunshine we have will be likely from about Providence north, but I still think clouds will win out. We're cold, all of us, temperatures in the 30s. Going to Thursday night, precipitation, leading edge of it, arrives around midnight, and it's all snow for everybody. Temperatures cold enough, upper 20s to low 30s. And it will continue to snow right into about 4 or 5 o'clock in the morning. Snow rates could be 1 inch per hour. You pile the snow up. It accumulates for everybody, even at the coast. And then the biggest part of the forecast, how much warm air above us, not the surface, but aloft, up in the clouds, will work into this system? Will it take that rain-snow line well north? And that's the million-dollar question right now. We are hedging here at ABC6 that will happen, and therefore by 8 a.m., we're already seeing a changeover at the coast. That rain-snow line will continue to work north. You get a mixing in the middle, and then areas north stay all snow. This area here will be the most snow along the Mass Pike. But where we mix, that will limit some of the accumulation. Once the system starts to pull away, wrap around a little snow to end this thing. But by evening, most of it's out of here. And the snowfall rates, 2 to 4 at the coast, 4 to 8 for the darker blue. And I broke it down by town. You get that layer of 2 and 3 to 4 to 5 to 6 to 7. And then you got to go 8 up towards Mansfield. Once the system pulls away, dry for the weekend, sunshine 30s, cold on Monday, and then back to the 30s and 40s for the middle part of next week with some moderating temperatures with just a little bit of cloud cover. Nick.
Thank you, Jeff. Tom Brady starring